In this video, we will review the 5 best dash cameras for cars in 2025, focusing on video quality, features, and ease of use to keep you safe on the road. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. 4K Wireless Dash Cam. The 4K Wireless Dash Cam features an impressive 10.26-inch IPS touchscreen with vibrant colors and a wide 170-degree viewing angle, offering easy navigation and clear visibility. Its front camera records in ultra-high definition, 4K resolution at 3,840 by 2160 pixels, capturing sharp details like road signs and license plates. The rear camera records in 1080p full high definition, providing comprehensive coverage behind your vehicle. Powered by a high-performance 4-core chip, this dash cam boots up in just 3 seconds and operates smoothly. It uses advanced Smart H 265 encoding technology, which delivers superior image quality while reducing file sizes and extending recording time. Safety is enhanced with built-in advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and front vehicle starting reminders. These features help reduce accidents and improve driver awareness. The dashcam also offers driving habit selection for both left and right-hand driving preferences. Connectivity is seamless with both wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. You can enjoy music via Bluetooth audio, aux output, or a dual-channel FM transmitter, while the built-in speaker allows direct audio playback. Voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant are fully supported for hands-free control. With 5G high-speed Wi-Fi, video transmission and live previews are fast and smooth. Integrated GPS navigation tracks your vehicle's location, supports navigation, and stores footage for security. The sensitive 3-axis G sensor detects sudden impacts or movements and automatically saves critical videos, customizable to your desired sensitivity level. Number 4. Imagebon 4K. The Imagebon 11.3-inch 4K ADAS dash camera offers an ultra-wide angle touchscreen that provides vibrant, smooth images for a full view of the road. Its 4K front camera captures crystal-clear details such as license plates and road signs, while the optional 1080-pixel rear camera covers the back. The front camera is rotatable up to 180 degrees and can double as an in-car camera for versatile use. This dashcam supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing safe and convenient access to mobile phone functions while driving. The advanced driver assistance system includes front vehicle starting reminders, forward collision warnings, and lane departure alerts, enhancing road safety with real-time alerts. Users can customize the interface with 6 different user interface options, including 3 full-screen and 3 split-screen themes. The upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 allows seamless connection to the car audio system through Bluetooth, FM transmission, or wired AUX. Voice control through CarPlay and Android Auto keeps your hands free and your focus on the road. With the companion app, videos can be viewed and downloaded in real time, perfect for sharing journeys or providing evidence in case of incidents. The dashcam also features 24-hour parking monitoring, automatically recording any detected movement or collisions when the vehicle is parked. Loop recording ensures continuous footage by deleting the oldest files to free up space. The Imagebon 11.3-inch 4K ADAS dash camera combines a large display, advanced safety features, and flexible connectivity for an enhanced driving experience. Number 3. Podofo 4K Dash Cam. The Podofo 10.26-inch 4K Dash Cam features a large high-definition touchscreen that offers a clear view with minimal visual obstruction. Its sleek, rectangular design fits well in any car interior, combining modern style with functionality. One of the standout features is wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. Simply turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and the dashcam connects automatically to your phone. With CarPlay, you can control music, navigation, and messages using voice commands, making driving safer and more convenient. Bluetooth functionality also allows hands-free phone calls and wireless music streaming. Additionally, the built-in FM transmitter lets you enjoy your favorite radio stations. Installation is simple with the included cigarette lighter power supply and rear camera. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, while the rear camera provides full visibility behind your vehicle, perfect for parking and reversing safely. The dual-screen display shows front and rear footage simultaneously. Voice control enables easy access to Siri or Google Assistant without taking your hands off the wheel. The camera's full-color high-definition sensor and wide dynamic range technology ensure excellent performance in various lighting conditions. Night vision guarantees clear recording even in low-light environments. Seamless loop recording automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full, so you never miss important moments. The wide dynamic range balances high contrast scenes, delivering sharp and clear images in bright sunlight or shadowed areas. Overall, the Podofo 4K Dash Cam offers impressive features for enhanced safety and convenience on the road. Number 2. K2 Pro 4K. The K2 Pro 11.3-inch Dash Cam offers impressive 4K recording with its ultra-wide angle touchscreen, providing a clear and luxurious viewing experience. The large display makes navigation and monitoring effortless while enhancing your car's interior. Equipped with dual cameras, the front records in stunning 4K at 2160 pixels, while the rear camera captures in 1080 pixels. You can view both camera feeds simultaneously on the screen for complete awareness of your surroundings. The dashcam supports both wired and wireless connections, allowing easy access to GPS navigation, phone calls, and music directly through the interface. Built-in GPS tracking records your speed, location coordinates, and travel route when connected to the GPS module. For audio, the K2 Pro delivers high-fidelity sound with multiple connection options, including Bluetooth FM transmission and wired AUX, letting you connect seamlessly to your car's audio system. It also supports AirPlay and Android wireless mirroring, so you can stream content from your phone straight to the dashcam screen. Safety features include a full-screen reversing view that automatically activates the rear camera when the car is in reverse, giving you a clear picture of what is behind you. The optional parking cable enables 24-hour monitoring, waking the device to record if any unusual vibrations are detected while the engine is off, protecting your vehicle at all times. With its advanced features and sleek design, the K2 Pro 4K Dash Cam is an excellent choice for enhancing driving safety and convenience. Number 1. K2 10.26-inch Dash Cam. The K2 10.26-inch Dash Cam offers a powerful combination of advanced features and high-quality video recording. It comes with a large 10.26-inch touchscreen boasting a crisp 1600 by 600 resolution, making navigation and media playback clear and enjoyable. This dashcam features a dual camera system. The front camera records in 4K at 2160 pixels, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. The rear camera records in 1080 pixels, providing a full view behind your vehicle. Both camera feeds can be displayed simultaneously on the screen for complete situational awareness. Supporting both CarPlay and Android Auto, the K2 allows seamless smartphone integration. You can switch between multiple display modes, including full-screen CarPlay, full-screen camera view, or split-screen options, such as navigation combined with camera or music. Audio quality is impressive with high-fidelity output and versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth, FM transmission, and wired AUX. The K2 also supports AirPlay and Android wireless mirroring, allowing you to mirror your phone's screen to the dashcam, perfect for watching videos or gaming when parked. The built-in GPS module records your speed, coordinates, and travel path, which can be reviewed later with a dedicated player. For added security, the K2 offers 24-hour parking monitoring with an optional power cable. In standby mode, it will activate and record if it detects unusual vibrations, helping protect your vehicle even when parked. Overall, the K2 10.26-inch Dash Cam is a versatile and reliable choice for enhanced driving safety and convenience. There you have it, the 5 best dash cameras for cars in 2025. Each model offers reliable protection and advanced features to capture every moment. Check the description for more details, and let us know which one you prefer.